Hey fam, so in this video I want to show you how I automated bulk image generation on Google Flow. Now for those of you who don't know what Google Flow is, it is a website or a tool by Google that allows us to use Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro 100% for free as of the time of recording this video. You can see right here, this is one of my recent projects that I was working on, and believe it or not, all these images were created on autopilot using my Chrome extension known as Autoflow Content Gen. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you get access to this, and believe it or not, I'm providing this Chrome extension 100% for free. You don't even need to sign up with your account. First thing you want to do is to install the Chrome extension. So I'll leave the link in the description, and all you have to do when you click that link, it will bring you to Chrome Web Store, and you see the extension known as Autoflow Content Gen. So you just have to click right here, it will show you install. So you click right here and approve the installation process. So once it is installed, come over to labs.google/fxtools/flow, or I'll just leave a link in the description which you can just click and it brings you to this website. Now for you, if it's the first time you are using Google Flow, you need to create a new project. You probably not see any projects that are here. So I'm going to go right ahead and click right here where it says new project. If you're using Google Chrome, right here, this is the extension. I just need to pin it by clicking right here, and I pin it so that I can easily access it. So here, just click on it and you can see it right here, and it is showing connected. Now if let's say for example it's not showing connected, you just need to refresh the browser so that it shows connected. Now what you can do before you start using the extension, you have to set up. Now for some people, you might discover that Agent is active right here and you not see any tools that are here. So now when Agent is active, you are using AI to do your work. Now you have to unclick Agent, then you can see the models. Now if you change, let's say for example I change the models right here, if you click right here, I change the model maybe to Nano Banana 2, even the extension will detect that I've changed the model, and you can see right here now it's showing Nano Banana 2, which is faster in terms of image generation, while Pro gives you more, let's say, control. Then also the other thing you want to do when you're doing bulk generation is set to generating just only one image at a time. So here you set it to 1, then you can choose the, let's say, the format you want to do, let's say 16:9 or 9:16, depending with what you are generating for. By the way, you can also generate videos. You can do the same. It's the same process even for videos, but I'm not going to go into that. I want just to show you how I automated the entire process. So here, once we've done that setup, all you have to do, for example, you can even try yourself, try just to generate something like, let's say for example a boy running, just to see if Flow is working well before you use the extension. All right, so once you've seen that the image is generating quite all right, so, okay, if let's say you do get that notification which says unusual activity detected, all you have to do is refresh the browser and try again. First, begin by trying again manually to generate an image. So once an image is generated, all you have to do now, here where it's showing multi-shot prompts, okay, you can just paste in your prompt. So now here I have this prompt right here. Now I'll explain everything, don't worry. Let me just show you a demo. I'm going to paste in a prompt right here, so you can see it will detect the number of prompts that I've pasted in. So now you can see it's saying one shot detected, but when you look at the prompt I have, of course it's one shot, but you can see there's a lot of paragraphs, but it is detecting one shot. Now the thing is that most Chrome extensions, they detect a prompt, they use line breaks whereby you leave space to detect, to start another prompt. Now in this case, what I did is, because personally I use like prompts that are complicated, sometimes that are highly detailed, whereby for example here I integrated the scene, the visual style, the negative prompt, the rendering instructions. Now if I was to paste in this into another prompt, it might detect that this is a single prompt, a single prompt, a single prompt, a single prompt. So you have just to put in short number with these brackets, and it will detect the prompt. If you type in, let's say for example short 1, then whatever you write under short 1, even if you leave space, even if you do what, it will be counted as one single prompt. But if let's say you don't type in short 1 and you just paste in all your prompts into this without any like short 1, short 2, short 3, it will count everything else as a single prompt. In front of your prompt, just put short 1 or short number, then your prompt, just like that. Okay, it's as simple as that. Now this one here, you can see it also, you also have the option to choose where you want your images saved to. You can automatically save your images to a folder. Now if you don't type anything, it will save to the download folder on your computer automatically. Then you can also choose to auto download each shot. So if I click this one, I turn it on, it will auto download. Then here there's advanced settings. Now when you click on advanced settings, you can choose, I'll ask you maybe not to touch this, the action delay between shots, just leave it as it is. Then the parallel shots here, you can choose to generate, let's say for example, if you leave it as the default, the one at a time, it will be generating an image. It will wait until the image is fully generated, download it, then start the second one. But if you are generating a lot of shots, you would want maybe to set to 3 at a time. So it will be submitting 3 prompts, generate all of them, then download them. It starts there another bunch, 3, and so on and so forth. Okay, so once I've set to 3 at a time, then here the character and frames, I haven't yet fully set up this one. That's why it's in beta, to be honest. I think I'll work on it maybe in the future. For now, I think the extension is doing what I want. Then multi-shot prompts. Now here I already explained, you just need to paste in your prompts. So for example, I have these prompts. I'm going to paste these prompts, let's say 5 of them. Okay, I'm just going to copy this like that. Then I'm going to paste all the prompts right here. So you can see it is even showing the number of shots that have been detected. So 5 shots detected. So if I go right ahead and just click generate all shots, so here you can see now the generation starts. What will happen is that Autoflow Content Gen will start pasting those single prompts into the script area, then starts the generation, and it will be also downloading the images immediately the image is created. So you can see, like for example here, because we set it to 3 at a time, you can see the first 3 have been sent, and it will wait until they are done. This way it ensures that almost all the images or all your prompts will be generated. And the good thing is that sometimes, let's say for example, if an image is not generated for a short one of your prompts, it will even show you it, because when it is downloading the images, it will show you this image was from shot 1, this image was from shot 2. It will name them correctly. Okay, so you can see that the images have been created, and you can see the downloads right here. Watch right here, you can see it has downloaded the shot. Okay, so it's downloading the images that have been created, and if you check the downloads, you can see the images that have been created. Then it will proceed to paste in the next bunch. So if you, let's say you even have 100, 1,000, it will have that. The Chrome extension has no restrictions at all. Okay, so if you want, you can also read the user guide to get this information in text. It is just right here. You can also support me, maybe if you want, you can just click on buy me coffee, and you can actually support me with the Chrome extension, or just simply click contact us if you, let's say there's something that is not working well.